Welcome back to the Scotti-BYTE channel, and this is Scott. So today I want to talk about Docker Compose done more easily. So Docker Compose is a GitHub project that helps you start and maintain Docker applications with the use of YAML files. And anybody that's ever worked with Docker Compose YAML files can tell you that the spacing and formatting of those files is extremely important, and many times it's the barrier to making a Docker application run properly. So I covered common Docker commands in my tutorials entitled Docker Made Easy, Docker Roadblocks Things to Know, and also Docker Goodies to Know. So most Docker projects will give you a simple Docker run command in order to run their project, meaning pulling their container down or pulling their images down for a container and creating a container and running it. Although the Docker run command doesn't give you the greatest way to maintain that application, and that's why Docker Compose can be attractive. So Docker Compose is much easier, but sometimes formatting the YAML file can be prone to errors, as I mentioned earlier. So I have a simple solution for you. This is a very simple application to use, and if you go over to composerize.com, you end up with a blank at the top, which will allow you to enter your Docker run command, even if it's a multi-line command, and then it generates below the Docker Compose formatted YAML file. So as an example here, I'll go ahead and put in the Docker run command, and this was actually multiple lines. You can see the backslashes, which were used as line breaks, and this is one to run an application I covered fairly recently, which is an RSS aggregator called Fresh RSS. So here I've entered Fresh RSS down here, and you can see that it said Docker version 3.3, services, and then it gives you your services, and it gives you your port numbers, and it gives you your volume. Of course, in this case, you're going to want to change path 2 to whatever you need to be, but the point is that this created file gives you all the formatting and proper indentation conversion from a Docker run command. So in summary, in my Docker Made Easy tutorial, we covered the main things to know when running Docker applications. The Docker Compose application makes using Docker easier, but formatting those YAML files can still be an issue. So the composerize.com website converts any Docker run command to a valid Docker Compose.yaml file. Anyway, that's it for today. Please subscribe and like to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.